Welcome to Kerala and nice to meet you. Yes, we are back in Kerala with our family for a short vacation. With a huge bundle of happiness, I welcome all of you to a new episode of Dr. Momebi. The temple festivals of Kerala has already begun. Both sides of the road were filled with diyas and chendamelams. We can see chendamelam all over Kerala during Onams and all Kerala temple festivals. Time feels meaningless when you are isolated at your home during this pandemic when you reach for the vacation. But then I don't want it in that way. I want to enjoy to fullest even though I am in quarantine. Quarantine with kids is not an easy job at all. Especially seeing this scenery and all the family members through the window is so tempting for a toddler and especially for me to go out. The first 2 days of quarantine passed very easily. Toys and snacks made the time pass easily. Nainu was more excited to get my old stuff, especially the makeup box from my wedding day, and it was a total funny mess thereafter. I'm not sure if anybody can relate to this, but Nora was really new to this type of cloth cradle, so I had a hard time making her used to it. While they are playing, I was really busy with tidying up my stuff and cleaning my cupboard. As we were quarantined upstairs of the same house, my mom-in-law made all the arrangements for our snacks and food. During COVID-19 pandemic, most of the people are making their times entering kitchen for cooking and baking, and I have noticed a lot of new cooks and chefs posting their pictures on Instagram and Facebook. I think now I understood the reason. Everything tastes good when you are hungry, but everything tastes better when you are bored. After a couple of days, we have crossed the boundary of our room and we entered the balcony area. That was little bit relief for both the kids. I really started missing dining with family and friends, but there was no other options other than giving company for Nainu. And finally our quarantine was about to finish, but the last few days were really tough for us. And during that time, hobbies and animation movies came for my rescue. I started painting and Nainu started drawing, so that was our really good time. Initially, I trained Nainu for picking up a hobby to make her stay away from all the gadgets, but then she was really interested into drawing and she loved to do it whenever she is bored. And now I think her hobbies are making her more independent and it helps her to build a personality of her own. So always motivate the kids to develop hobbies. Finally, we are out of quarantine with negative result. We spend hours outdoors until we are satisfied. Mom-in-law's vegetable garden was fully filled with greens, especially spinach, and I love this green spinach a lot. So decided to make a side dish for lunch. Getting greens or veggies from homegrown organic plants makes me so happy. I think it's very therapeutic also. Inshallah, when I am going to settle down, I dream of having a small area where I can cultivate all the homely needed veggies, herbs, and fruits. For the side dish, just sauteing the spinach in mustard and coconut oil for just 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm grating fresh coconut for this side dish, and I need to prepare a chutney with shallots and green chilies. Here I'm taking bird-eye chili. Just mix it and cook for 3 to 5 minutes and the side dish is ready. It can go very well with rice or porridge. Along with that, the combo for lunch was fresh sardine fry. Nainu had her cousin sister and cousin brother for playing all around. Nainu has trouble watching someone play with her toy, but I want to train her well, and she is picking up little by little on sharing her toys. If you too have the same problem, I'm working on it still. I can help you with 2 things. First one is rewarding her whenever she shares something with her friends or sister. Second one is giving turn. If both the kids are playing, just give turn for each kid a particular time. This will help to have a mutual understanding. After a few days, Nora started loving this traditional cloth cradle. I think it's very comfortable also, but I'm not sure if she get more comfort in this one, whether she will go back to her normal cradle. Meanwhile, I was collecting few indoor plants also. I think if you have seen my previous vlog, I have taken these bird's eye chili to Dubai, and I have been using it in all my curries. So I thought I will collect some this time also. I used to pickle them in warm saline water with some vinegar, and when I take them, I just drain off the water and add new water when I reach there. It was harvest time for peppers and jackfruits. This mango season was just approaching only. I think any art lover can relate to this. You will be keep collecting if you are a craft person, anything and anything. So I was recollecting all this and keeping that place tidy and neat. Leaving Nainu for just 1 minute makes me crazy because all this happens. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So see you in the next coming vlogs. Till then, take care and bye bye. If you like the vlog, keep subscribing.